Local accountability groups are cautiously optimistic over the announcement that the Jamaica Constabulary Force has received 1,000 body-worn cameras. Now, the tools are seen as critical to modern crime fighting, especially amid an upsurge in police fatal shootings. Anthony Lugg has the details.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force has received praise for its crime-fighting efforts in 2025, which resulted in the 41% decline in murders. But it has also received its fair share of criticism over the number of police fatal shootings. And so, on Tuesday, news that the force received 1,000 body-worn cameras again sparked discussions from several stakeholders. Human rights group Jamaicans for Justice has been critical of the JCF and welcomes the announcement, but also raised questions.
Where exactly will those body cameras be deployed? Remember, part of our query or call was not for the procurement of body-worn cameras alone, but for a portion of those body cameras to be strategically deployed within the planned and special operations.
According to an INDECOM report published in October last year, up to July 2025, 97 people were killed during planned operations. The Commission says the figure represents 51% of the 190 fatalities for the same period. INDECOM Commissioner Hugh Faulkner, in welcoming the announcement, pointed to other data and again stressed the importance of the tool.
Body-worn cameras could play a critical role in evidencing the circumstances leading to a fatal confrontation and the confrontation itself. In 50 or 46% of 108 planned operations analyzed in the October report, the weapon retrieved was reported as not having been fired. In the 58 cases where the weapon was reported as fired, there was no report of any injury to the officers.
In its release on Tuesday, the JCF said it has always regarded the implementation of body-worn cameras as a central pillar of its transformation and modernization agenda. The force says it has been forthright about both challenges and limitations encountered. The release added that throughout this period, the force had to contend with criminals as well as deliberate misinformation and false narratives suggesting resistance to accountability. In the meantime, the JCF says the procurement of another 1,000 body-worn cameras is in train with the intention of completing acquisition and deployment during the next financial year. Executive Director of JFJ, Michael Jackson, issued this caution.
We've heard announcement of procurement of body cameras before, so we need to get a sense of the timeline for the additional body-worn cameras, because while we welcome the announcement, the proof is in the pudding, and we have to ensure that we do not see years of delay in having additional body cameras being procured.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.